In this video, I will be explaining how to implement state storage in a Substrate Pallet. When designing any kind of software application, an important first step is to think long and hard about the database schema you're going to use. On the blockchain, it is even more critical because performing an on-chain schema upgrade is either very expensive or impossible. Substrate has four basic storage primitives: storage value to store a single value, storage map where each value is mapped by a single key, storage double map where each value is mapped by two keys, and storage nmap where each value is mapped by an arbitrary number of keys. Substrate can automatically generate RPC getter functions so the state can be read by querying a node. Unlike on Ethereum, where mapping keys are always hashed with CAC 256, with Substrate you can choose which hasher you want to use for each mapping. In standard Substrate palettes, mapping hashers are always transparent. This means that the original unhashed key can be extracted from the hashed key. This is especially useful when iterating through keys. You should default to using Blake2 128 concat because it is a cryptographic hash. 2x64 concat is extremely fast but is not cryptographic. Identity does not hash the key at all. These two hashers should only be considered when the key has already been cryptographically hashed. When declaring a storage item, you need to decide how to handle the situation where a requested storage item has not been set. There are three options. Option query: return standard Rust type option. If the storage item does not exist, this matches to none. If it does exist, it returns some value. Result query: return standard Rust type result. If the storage item does not exist, this matches to error. If it does exist, it returns OK value. Value query: returns the value directly. If the storage item doesn't exist, the default value of the value's type will be returned. Okay, so let's look at how we can actually declare pallet storage. First of all, we use the macro pallet storage and optionally declare the name of the getter function. For storage value, we declare the name of the value, declare the data type of the value, and declare the query type. For storage map, declare the name of the mapping, declare the hashing algorithm of the key, declare the data type of the key, declare the data type of the value, and declare the query type. For storage double map, declare the name of the mapping, declare the hashing algorithm of the first key, declare the data type of the first key, declare the hashing algorithm of the second key, declare the data type of the second key, declare the data type of the value, and declare the query type. And for storage nmap, declare the name of the mapping. For each key, declare the hashing algorithm and data type, declare the data type of the value, and declare the query type. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll have more Substrate development content coming very soon.